out. Yeah, no problem. We have you checked out at 538. 80 EZE.
You need a fucking sunroof.
I know.
What's your current location? You still in Eaton or are you a little bit outside it?
I'm still approximately 1 mile due south. Don't have a spotter number.
See it?
Yeah.
Okay, can I get a name and a location as 2 major cross streets?
I-25 in Vine. Name is Robert. Romeo, Oscar, Bravo, Echo, Romeo, Tango.
Copy, we got you checked
Look
in.
at her spin.
80 EZE.
DN.
Look lower, yeah.
Yeah.
Your spotter is looking at the rotation above Eden. Can I get cross streets or anything?
Yeah, go ahead, DQ. Road 37 off of O Street. Probably going to head up to around 392 and Concern. If anybody has any better ideas, let me know.
163 on 14, Roger, WX30.
I believe we're at 61 and 14.
Okay, copy. We just passed in traffic. 80
Yeah, I'll pay attention, brother.
He does not pay attention. Ow! Ow!
We had a couple doubles. Are there any other stations in there?
Which way are those falling?
They're going like this, I think.
Okay. Oh yeah, they are. Okay.
God dang.
Justin, Cheyenne Reader, issue on the sucker at 70 dB, right where we're at.
It's gonna go over us here in a sec.
Yeah, we'll be out of this in a minute.
And then it's going off into the where we can't chase it.